Hey guys, this is my first unboxing video. Today I'm unboxing Samsung Galaxy Tablet S6. This is the latest version. It came out on September, but I bought it on Cyber Monday. So let's open it. So this is the tablet, and this is the charger. This is the stylus pen, a Type-C cable. Oops. And it's the pin for the SIM card and some accessories for the pen. Alright, now let's turn on the laptop. So while I turn it on, I'll just give you some details about the tablet. So this is a cloud blue color. It is available in two more colors, which is rose blush and a mountain gray. This one is 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of hard drive. It is also available in 256 GB and 8 GB RAM. Samsung says this runs for 18 hours on a full charge, but I'm not sure how much does it run. Okay, it's turning on. Alright, so the camera of it, the rear cameras are 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel, and it also comes with a 8 megapixel front camera. This comes with 4 speakers, two on the bottom and 2 on the top. It is also the Dolby Atmosphere sound system. It is pretty thin and so light, not heavy enough. It is just under 1 pound. So it's 0.95 pound. And it does not have any headphone jack. But you can also use this with a keyboard, Samsung DeX keyboard or regular aftermarket keyboard, which you can get on Amazon for $40. And let's play some music and see how is the sound quality.
I'm Dan.
And I'm Shay.
We've partnered with Aflac, Musicians on Call, and iHeartRadio to do a little concert.
The display is pretty good.
Got 100 racks if you gon' backflip it. I ain't trippin', I got that cash. Baby gon' bounce that ass.
I'll wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. You gotta finish it, finish it, finish it. I'll wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it. You gotta finish it, finish it, finish it.
Boy, put you on the road. Now your ass back.
Alright, that is pretty good. The sound quality is really good. It's pretty loud since it has 4 speakers. So you guys can get this from Samsung right now. It is on sale for $150, but the original price is $650, so you save $100. And if you guys want to use it as for light work like a laptop, it is pretty good for that, because the RAM is good enough to run pretty much all the light works. So give it a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.